Hey guys, Tech Mentor with a quick fix video for you guys. Now you're gonna follow these steps. If your iPhone screen is blank like I have it here and it doesn't turn on, first thing you're gonna do is locate the volume up and then volume down and then this side button. So what you're gonna do is press and release the volume up, followed by press and release the volume down, and then hold that side button until you can see the Apple logo appear or the phone charge screen appear. So I'm gonna do volume up, volume down quickly, and then hold that side button. Again, the key is pressing and releasing the volume up and volume down quickly one after another, and then hold that side button until you see the Apple logo and then you let go again. You want to do this at least 3 to 5 times until you can get something on the screen. Keep on trying it. Sometimes you might try it, you're not quick enough, so make sure you press and release the volume up, followed by press and release the volume down quickly, and then hold that side button until you see the Apple logo. When you see the Apple logo, you let go of it. Again, this process is really simple and easy to do. It will not delete any of your personal data. It's known as a forced restart, which sometimes you'll need to do in order to fix your phone, especially if you have a blank screen, it's not turning on. Now, another thing is if you did this a couple times and you're still not getting anything to work and it's still not turning on, is to charge it with the right cable. There's so many times that people will charge with the wrong cable or the cable is defective and the right wall brick adapter. You can't charge it with a computer because it doesn't have enough power. So get yourself one of these 20-watt wall adapter, especially the genuine Apple one. If you have a expensive phone, why go with something cheap that doesn't work? So if you can get one of these are I think $20 or $30. You need one of these because they deliver the best power. And then the original Apple cable. The new cables are braided like this, but you want to get the USB-C one if your phone supports on the 15 the USB-C or one of the lightning ones, but basically a genuine one, and try different combination of chargers. Sometimes these things can go bad and you might not be charging your phone thinking you're charging it and it's not turning on. So try doing that. Charge for about maybe like 15 to 20 minutes or half an hour or so, and then follow the same step where we showed you. Do the volume up, volume down, and then that side button until the screen goes completely black or until you see the Apple logo, and then let go of that button. Again, this method you could do it as many times as you want until you can get it to see the Apple logo and it will not delete any of your personal data. Just keep on trying it and hopefully your iPhone gets fixed with this method that we're showing you. And I hope this video is helpful, so please do consider hitting that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.